Okay, students, what are your plans for the weekend? Play football. Okay, that's good. Very хорошо спать. What? Oh, sorry. Sorry. No. Many sleep. Very many sleep.
Two hours later.
Okay. Alright. Let's solve this problem. Let's know how to make plans in English. To make plans in the English language, we normally use this construction, be going to plus infinitive. Infinitive, that is the verb in its normal form. The only thing that changes is the auxiliary verb be. It changes according to the subject. For example, let's use pronouns. I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are. And the construction follows up there. For example, I am going to travel to Spain. I am going to sleep a lot this weekend. He is going to call me tomorrow. In questions, we change the position of the auxiliary verb, which is our be, and the subject, which can be the name of the person or it can be a pronoun. For example, I said, I am going to travel to Spain. Question: am I going to travel to Spain? It's as easy as that. We can also use it with different question words or question phrases. For example, what? What are you going to do tomorrow? What about? What are you going to tell about? Who with? Who are you going to go with to the cinema? Where to? Where is she going to go to tomorrow or after the class? Where from? Where is it going to come from? And so on. So you can use this with in different ways to talk about plans, your plans and the plans of others. So how do we answer or respond? Because sometimes it can be a question, like someone questioning us, to know our plans. For example, are you going to have breakfast this morning? Positive response: yes, I am. Negative: no, I'm not. As simple as that. Your subjects are the pronoun and its form of the verb to be. And that's it, and you're set. That being said, what are you going to do this weekend? Share it with me in the comment section below. What are you going to do after this video? You're going to subscribe if you haven't and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. I'll see you later. Goodbye.